All right, now this is an interesting development where global inflation appears to be slowly having a bit of an impact on Japan, a country that has had stagnant prices for almost 3 decades. Considered as one of the strongest economies in the world, Japan is now slowly showing signs of inflation as global oil prices are beginning to stabilize and consumers are resisting price increases. The prices overall in Japan rose by about 2.4% in the month of June from the last year. And the year-over-year increase, there was a slight decline from the 2.5% that was recorded in the month of April and May. Although economists signal that the trend may not hold, especially if the yen continues its recent weakness and if importers decide to pass on more of their costs to the consumers. The Western nations and Japan moved to reduce their dependence on Russian energy after Russia invaded into Ukraine, and the recent pattern, if it were to continue, suggests that Japan, which has had stagnant prices for nearly about 30 years, will not approach the inflation that's being witnessed in the United States and Europe this year. Still, consumers were seen refraining from luxury spending or going out for drinks at night. The most noticed price increase for the Japanese consumers are coming in from the supermarkets and in restaurants. The Bank of Japan sees inflation as a temporary phenomenon caused largely by higher energy prices rather than a broad-based shift in which price increases feed on each other throughout the economy. According to the Bank of Japan, consumers are taking a cautious attitude towards the prices and wages, and this is now fundamentally changed, and companies that sell imported goods were passing through only some of their higher costs to the consumers. If oil prices continue to show relief in the graph from the highs that were reached after Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the inflationary pressure on Japan could diminish further. Even after this one risk remains that is the weakness of the yen, which is trading near a 24-year low against the dollar. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.